Test. Hello and welcome everybody to our Lyconet World Tour.
The network marketing companies that I work with are experiencing their highest level of growth in their history.
Our slogan is Together we are strong. Together we are strong means that we're taking care of each other.
We can contact innumerous and limited amount of people because they are right now sitting in front of the computer.
Now, let's use the time to rethink our life and our business.
After this crisis, our growth, especially in SME, will be absolutely amazing.
There is not one single network company which is related to the traditional economy so deep as we are.
It's something what on the end of the day will all fit together and make the life of marketers more convenient.
Now are the times for the winners. And when you change this situation in a good mind, you can use this situation and change it in a good way.
Use the motivational parts, use the focus parts, see the vision, and just do it.
Network marketing is not just for men, it's also for women. You can combine family and business.
It's not doing something because you are a woman, but to do whatever you want as a person.
Network marketing is only learning by doing.
The women are representing 77% of all distributors worldwide. So now is the time for all the women inside of Lyconet to step up.
Everyone wants to earn money, everyone wants to save money. We just have to do it correctly, right?
Treat it like a huge, substantially huge business that you can build in the future.
If you are an active marketer, you benefit not only in your career with your customers and with your network, also from the success of the whole ecosystem.
Usually we cannot change what happens out there, but we always can change what happens within us and how we act accordingly. And we are the masters of our inner universe.
This is the time for you to really thrive. This is the time for you not to pull back, but to grow.
There are millions of people waiting in every country to hear your story and to hear your presentation.